Hey folks, welcome to a tour of a standard balcony cabin here on the MSC Seaside. The first thing I appreciate, there's no standard coffee table sitting in here just getting in the way and making the cabin feel narrower. The cabin feels much wider. I'd say this cabin is about the same width as the one that we had on the Carnival Mardi Gras. It's a pretty standard balcony cabin. You've got your sofa sitting right there. If this was a 3-person cabin, I suppose that would open up for the 3rd person. You've got the 2 twin beds that come together for a queen. Pretty good desk space over here. I wish there were some shelves up over the mirrors or alongside the mirrors. I wish there were some extra shelves, but you've got a pretty good sized desk. The bench is to sit on is very uncomfortable, but it can double as a coffee table. As you can see, it's got a very squared up top. Plenty of room along the desk. I've got it very cluttered with all my computer gear and everything, but there's plenty of room along here. You've got a couple of USB plugs. You've got a couple of American plugs. You have a couple of European plugs. As we always say, bring a European adapter with you and you can convert it, as you see we're doing right here. Huge generous mirror above the desk and your flat screen TV. There's a healthy amount of storage in the closet. As you can see, we got some shelves, a very small safe up top. You will not be putting a laptop in that, but certainly your passports, maybe your phones and money and things like that. But you have some shelves, and then you have 2 drawers down below. And on the other side, plenty of room for hanging clothes. You have your shoes down below, and we've also got our hamper in there as well. This is among the smallest bathrooms we've ever had on a cruise ship, but it is very efficient. All right, straight ahead. We've got the sink. It's actually a rather deep sink and a little soap dispenser right there on the side. You do have some nice shelves up here on the side of that. This is what it looks like with me. I'm 5'7", about 180, so I've got room to kind of spin around. Shower head is right here. Lots of really good water pressure, I can tell you that, but this is definitely a small, shall we say, very efficient shower. Then outside to the balcony, it's a rather standard size for modern ships. They're not as deep or as big as they used to be. And you've got a couple of chairs, a footrest, and from this cabin being way up on deck 15, we've got an amazing view looking forward, back, and straight out at the ocean.